Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Garmin device, beginner guide step by step clearly. To reset your Garmin device, first, locate the power button. This is usually found on the side or front of the device. Press and hold the power button for at least 10 seconds. Wait for the device to turn off completely. Once it is off, release the power button. Next, press and hold the power button again. Continue holding it until the Garmin logo appears. Release the power button once the logo is visible. Your device will now begin the reset process. Depending on the model, this may take a few moments. If your device has a touchscreen, you may need to swipe or tap to finalize the reset. For certain models, you might need to access the Settings menu. Go to the System or Settings option. Look for Reset or Restore Defaults. Select this option to perform a factory reset. Follow the prompts to confirm your choice. After the reset is complete, your device will reboot. You will be guided through the initial setup process. Once set up, your Garmin device is ready for use. Make sure to charge the device if necessary before using it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.